Hello everyone, how are you all? Today we are going to learn how to keep our world clean. Okay, first of all, cut a tree. Is it right or wrong? No, it's not a good habit. We should not cut trees. So, cross. Okay. Use polythene bags. Yes, okay. Throw garbage in a dustbin. Yes, it's right. We should throw the garbage in the dustbin. Check. Use cloth bags. Yes, it's right. We should use cloth bags. Check. And polythene bags. Throw garbage on the road. Is it right or wrong? It's a very bad habit. We should not throw the garbage on the roads. We should throw the garbage in the dustbin. Okay, so it's wrong. Okay, water a tree. Yes, we should not cut a tree. We should give water to trees because it keeps our environment clean, it gives us oxygen and air, everything. Okay, so we should mark a tick. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Take care and goodbye.